Okay, welcome back everyone. So yesterday I went out with my Lovol 504 tractor and this old style flail mower to cut some grass. Every summer I used to cut grass on several different properties around here in the village. And I used this, what I believe is called a silage maker machine to do the job. Yeah, as you can see, it's old and it doesn't look fancy, but it's doing the job quite well. So far I have not invested money in a brand new flail mower, but I will do it later on, but I just haven't wanted to spend money on a new machine. But it is an old silage machine and it's built up on the same principles as the modern flail mowers. So it's cutting the grass very good, and yeah, the tractor can operate this one with 50 horsepower. It can operate it very good. Maybe if the grass has been wet, I might have had some problems. Except for that, it's working good. The only thing I think I will try to adjust is the cover on the top, because like it is right now, if it's wind, the grass when it comes out from the machine here gets like everywhere and covers the tractor with grass. So that's the only thing I don't like about it, but except for that I can do the job. So I have put together a video from yesterday. I hope you like it, and thank you for sticking around here in Lovol, and check out how the tractor is doing. Okay, thanks for sticking around here in Vesterålen. If you like this type of stuff, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and also share them with your friends. And take care and have a nice evening, everybody. See you.